morning, guys, and welcome to a new episode of Clean Fridays with me. So, like always, because I just woke up, literally just woke up, not kidding, not lying, literally just woke up. And I was like, you know what, if I don't get up and I don't start filming and I don't start doing what I have to do, I'm not gonna get motivated to get out of bed. So I was like, you know what, I gotta do it. So, yeah, so that's what we're gonna do, guys. Today you guys are gonna come and help me, watch me, clean with me in this video, and you guys can see the background. I'm gonna show you guys right now. But yeah, I decorated my whole kitchen. Anyway, so yeah, you can hear my daughter in the background. She's in the room, she's awake. So today is not gonna be much of a deep clean, just because yesterday I cleaned, move some things around like always. So I don't know. Today, what I'm basically gonna be focusing on. Sorry, I'm so tired. What I'm gonna be basically focusing on is the kids' room, and just the kids' room. Because to be honest, I don't have to clean my room or the closets because they're clean. I do have to pair up the socks, fold our underwear, and put them in where they go. But mostly I have to focus on the kids' room because it's a mess, and I'll show you guys in a bit. I cleaned out the fridge yesterday, so that I don't have to do that. The dishes are washed. I just have to put the dishes away. Say hi. I just gotta put the dishes away, and basically just scrub the floors. I'm gonna show you guys my technique to help and keep your floors clean, because I know how hard it is for moms. Like, sometimes we don't have time to be doing all this stuff, but you can do this like once a week. It's not that bad. And that's why I do it every Friday. And that's what I mean when I say deep clean Fridays, because the deep clean Fridays to me is basically cleaning the floors, like literally scrubbing them and then mopping, and then also the bathroom. I deep clean that because, you know, guys, we gotta be sanitary. It's a bathroom. Everybody uses it. There's germs around. But that I already cleaned yesterday, so I didn't have to worry about that. So basically my main focus today is just basically the floors and the kids' room.
Okay, so right here, coming up in the next clip, you guys are going to see me basically just cleaning Athena's bassinet, just because she peed that day and it went through. So I'm changing, you know, the whole blankets, everything, and then organizing her bassinet and her blanket and stuff like that. Next here, I am, you know, folding the blankets from our bed and just basically organizing the bed. Nothing, you know, there's just something simple, you know, just picking up the pillows, fixing the covers and stuff like that. That's basically what I am doing here.
To wipe down my furniture, I use this one, the Lysol. It's a all-purpose cleaner, and I like this because it not only does it disinfect, it also sanitizes your furniture, so all the germs, anything that poof, disappear. I also make sure that I clean all the controls, because you know everybody touches it. Baby and kids, somebody puts them in their mouth. It's just nasty. Clean it up. Then I do also clean here in this area. When the AC is not, I can't hear it just because it's so dirty. Clean here in my little area. Hello. My little area here. So let me take it out. Gotta clean everything. And there you have it. The dishes away. Where they go? So that's what I'm doing. So this is what I mean when I say it's a mess here. I haven't even bothered in coming in here and really cleaning it out because I was just waiting for today to just get a focus. Just make this video the main focus, just this room. So I have to find a place, this, somewhere. And then, yeah, you see, it's just a mess. Like I said, the swing is not staying. That bike is not staying. But I just don't know when the hell I'm gonna go ahead and take it. Seriously, I don't know what the heck to take in. Okay, so I'm just putting this away. Where'd they go?
Honestly, here I'm just basically picking up whatever it's like basically in his room, because there was a mess. So there was like stuff laying everywhere, like toys, blankets, stuff that just needed to be put away. So that is what I am doing here, just basically putting everything in the closet. That's whatever needed to be in the closet, I just put it back in the closet and just basically tidy up the place.
My plan is to make this fit up there in the closet, and up there I have other stuff that like plates and cups. So this is there. Right now, this area I need to clean, but it has to be not today because it has to be a day where my husband's here so he can help me bring whatever I don't need to my grandma's backyard. Oh my god, air garage. Sorry. Clothes wise, I'm waiting till fall is here so I can actually take all the summer clothes and put them in her bin. Other than that, right now, because it's still hot, so I can still, get some use of it. Their blankets are here. That's all baby stuff. This is these two bags are full with like paper plates, paper cups, stuff like that, utensils. And that is like I have a lot of Mason's baby shower gift bags that they gave me and stuff like that, so I keep that just in case. And yeah, so I'm gonna try to fit this up there because it fits up. Yeah, I will talk to you guys in a bit when I actually do make it. I did make it fit. It's right there. So that was not really a workout, but I'm tired. I want to sleep in, but I cannot. I have stuff to do. Alright, so now these I just kept 3 just to have them around here so I don't have to be climbing up there constantly to get a paper roll. So I'm gonna put that in the kitchen, and then that's staying in the kitchen. I just realized that we used those, so that's staying there. Mommy, the soaps, Mommy, nice. The soaps, I'm just gonna leave it there for now because honestly it just covered The door covers it, so you can't really see it. This is grandma's. This is grandma's bucket. This is donation. This is 30 clothes, which I have to wash. So yeah, let's take everything back to the kitchen. Stop it, mommy's cleaning. So now I'm gonna spray everything down with this wood protecting cleaning thing, whatever. I know you guys, for those who saw my first cleaning video, I mentioned this and I'm obsessed with this. I would definitely repurchase it again. It's definitely good for wood, so that's what I'm gonna use it on. And it literally cleanses it and makes it shiny like brand new. So I'll go get you some.
Here, just really self-explanatory. I'm just basically wiping down all of the wood furniture that my kids have in their room. So that's basically what I'm doing here. This is the best product I ever tried, and it was only like what, $2 I believe in a dollar store. So yeah.
Cleaner now than before. Oh, he's just playing with the rest of the toys. So yeah, now we're done with this room, and we're done here. Oh, now I'm gonna show you guys my decoration. Hi, mama. So the scarecrow here. This is where they have the, like, I don't know, the gas, the thing. You guys know what I'm talking about. Whatever. So right here by the fire extinguisher, I have this cute little scarecrow. On top, I have this cute little wall decor where it says welcome and has pumpkin. And then I hanged up some follies. Here, I have more follies. My scarecrow where it says welcome. Oh, up there I have my Mrs. and Mr. cup from our wedding. Then we have our, I don't know if you guys can see. Right there, that's my mug, my skull mug, and then this one is my husband's State Trooper mug that he got for Christmas. And then I have like a garland type of thing all over. And then I have right there a mason jar, which it lights up at night. Like, well, it's light up right now. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then I bought these cute little pumpkin decor. And I think that's it for this side. And then on this side, really, you put the damn toilet here. But yeah, on this side I have my baby's frames, both of them. I have another scarecrow here. I clipped on, well, I taped some fall leaves on the AC, and I have this cute little one here, and this is what I'm talking about. And it lights up at night. So yeah, so that's all my decor. Cute to come with this Downick Febreze fabric, and I just spray it on the curtains. I spray it on his bed. Make it smell good. Now that's done. I spray some in the bathroom. On the room. Okay. Another one down. Then I also spray it here. That's done. Then I spray it in my room as well, on the curtains. Then on the bed. And on the babies. Last night my stove, as you can see, it's so shiny. I love it like this. I'm so lazy to even scrub the floors. Well, broom, scrub, mop. But I'm gonna do it, guys, because if not, I swear to God, I'm gonna regret it. And I want to show you guys how I do that. So I'm gonna broom first. I don't think you guys need to see me brooming because anybody can broom. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm about to scrub.
Okay, the next few clips, I didn't actually show what the hell I put to scrub the floor. So basically, I just put some Gain detergent soap, Clorox, and a little bit of Lysol, and that's it. And you just scrub the floors really, really good with the broom that you do not use. And that's basically it. And then you can see how dirty the water was. Like, the floor was disgusting. So next, I dumped the old water out, the dirty water, and put some hot, like really hot water. And I'm gonna put some of this Clorox how you call this, mop cleaner, I guess you can say. And yeah, so I'm gonna mop with that. So I mop the floors with that, and then after mopping everything, I go ahead and put Suavitel Downy on all the rooms a little bit, just, you know, drop some in each room. And trust me, this makes your floors clean for like a couple of days. Like, I'm talking about like a week at most. I got this method from my mother-in-law. She is the one that taught me this. And honestly, I love it. Even though it's a lot of steps, a lot of work, but it works.
Picture